Hi guys, welcome to today's Disalva Home Kitchen, and today we're going to prepare a pulao rice with spicy chicken curry. Now we taken sliced onions, tomatoes, bay leaf, curry leaves and clove in a plate. Now grind the sliced onion along with ginger and garlic. Lit the burner to start cooking. Pour cooking oil. Now add bay leaf, clove, cardamom in the cooking vessel. Now put the chopped onions into it. Fry 10 minutes on medium heat. Fry until they turn golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste. Fry on medium flame. And fry till the raw smell goes off. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add salt as per the requirement. Fry well till the oil separates from the masala. Now we put the chopped tomatoes into it. Close the lid for 2 minutes. Two teaspoon chili powder. Three teaspoon coriander powder. One and a half teaspoon garam masala. And we take 1.5 teaspoon cumin powder. Now open the lid. Keep stirring and don't burn it. Now we add the taken masala in the cooking vessel. Fry well till the oil separates from the masala. Add water if required. Keep stirring for few minutes. Until tomatoes turn soft and brown, so close the lid for 10 minutes. Now add a glass of water, stirring continuously and close the lid. Now open the lid and keep stirring. Add chicken pieces in the cooking vessel. Add salt to taste. To get chicken boiled, close the lid and cook for 15 minutes. Open the lid and keep stirring for a minute. Add chopped potatoes into it. Mix up well and close the lid for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we have to boil 500 ml of water to pour in the cooking vessel. Now we add 500 ml of boiled water in the cooking vessel. Close the lid for 20 minutes in a medium flame. Kasuri methi is a flavoring agent for many curries and sabjis. Now we add 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi to taste. And also we add a quarter teaspoon of Ajinomoto taste powder. Now 20 minutes over, open the lid and garnish with coriander leaves. Now spicy South Indian chicken curry is ready. We are going to prepare pulao rice for chicken curry. Pour kerosene in the firewood and lit the firewood. Now pour cooking oil in the flat bottom pot. Now put the bay leaf and cardamom into the cooking pot. Add sliced onion into it. Keep stirring continuously. Add 4 to 7 slit green chilies. Fry until onion comes to golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste into it and fry until the raw smell goes off. Meanwhile, rinse the rice thoroughly for cooking. Now add 2 kg rice with 2 teaspoons of cumin powder and stir well. Add rice level of water and add salt to the taste. Add 1 teaspoon Ajinomoto taste powder. Add 150 gram boiled green peas. Keep stirring continuously well and close the lid for 25 minutes. Now open the lid and garnish with mint leaves. Stirring well continuously for 1 minute. Now close the lid for 20 minutes. Burning firewood stove. Pulao rice is cooked finally. Now add ghee on the top surface and mix up well. Pulao rice is ready. Now serve hot pulao rice with chicken curry. It is one of the best South Indian meal. Now cut the lemons, cut the green chilies, now slice the tomatoes and squeeze the lemon. Now tasty cucumber salad is ready. Now serve the pulao rice in the plate along with spicy chicken curry. Now add the salad. Pulao rice with spicy chicken curry is ready to eat.